Joe, our final day here at Cowboys camp, downright chilly. And chilly is also the word for the reception given by Jason Hatcher, the defensive end. Thought that his coach, Jason Garrett, was questioning his ability to play in the Cowboys' new 4-3 defensive scheme. But as Hatch found out, sometimes when you think the coach is talking bad about you, he's really talking good.
And one of the questions we had for Hatch, or with Hatch, playing this scheme is he too tall?
That make me feel real good. And my coaches don't believe in me, but okay. Who cares what they think?
Is he too tall to play the under tackle, the 3 technique?
I can play there. I don't care what they say, whoever said it.
But he can bend. He can bend his knees, he plays low, and that's a real asset. So it gives him flexibility really to play all across the line of scrimmage. That has that kind of explosiveness and that much versatility.
Hey, Mike trying to start some myths.
The Cowboys need Jason Hatcher to start somewhere, anywhere on the defensive front four. With Anthony Spencer out a few weeks, Tyrone Crawford out for the year, the Dallas D-line is lighting the vacancy sign in search of starters.
Injury provides opportunity. There's some young guys that we have that we want to see. We want to see a lot more of those guys.
One guy taking that opportunity is Ben Bass, undrafted and unsigned out of Texas A&M. He's taking Spencer's spot opposite DeMarcus Ware and ready to make the most of a starting position.
If you wait for somebody to go down in order to play your best, then you're already behind. Every day in practice, that's what I work towards. They get on the field to, get in the game, to eventually become a starter, to do all these things, to be a playmaker.
Ben has stepped up big time, man. He stepped up the last 2 years, man. He's just looking for his opportunity. Once he get it, I think he going to excel.
And he's worked very hard over the course of the season and the off season. I think you see that, and you add that to some of his natural instincts as a player to find the ball and make some plays. You got to give this guy more opportunities.
Which goes to show sometimes it's better not to know the coach is talking about you at all.
I never know he was talking about me, man. I try to keep my head down and go out there and make plays and practice hard.
Hey, the Cowboys did add 2 more defensive linemen today, as you saw if you follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, at Action4Sports. George Selvey, Landon Cohen are the guys. Meanwhile, wide receiver Lavoisier Tuane gets released. And you can follow us at Clay@Camp. That's the hashtag. And that will be the hashtag as we continue on. We are leaving Oxnard. We are heading to Houston, where tomorrow we will begin our coverage of Texans training camp at 5, 6, and 10. We will look for you then. Until then, in Oxnard for the final time, live, I'm Clay Williams, Action4Sports.